Hey beautiful, it's Miss Nikki, and I want to share with you today my cloth and paper subscription box for December. Let's jump right in. I am so excited to share with you all the goodies that I have for this month. This is the little card that comes with all of the boxes. It just tells you the things that are included inside. I'm going to sit it over to the side in case we need to refer to it. So let's crack this open. Actually, let's take this out. I'm going to sit my box here so I can put some of these things back in there. Okay. So, here is a regular size. This is like a regular sheet of paper size. And it is something that's included in each box I've been noticing. I believe this is my third cloth and paper subscription box. And I always receive this and I'm always trying to figure out like what I'm going to do with it. For the past two boxes, I have been cutting it down and putting it in my A5 planner. So we will see if I do the same with this. I may go ahead and frame it, which is what I have thought about doing with some of the others. But it says, the more you love your decisions, the less you have to convince other people to love them. And that is by Paulo Coelho, or something like that. I'm sure I butchered that, but let's keep moving. Oh my goodness. Okay, these are beautiful. This is a square flag. These are page flags, like little sticky notes. Let's open them up. And it is in the color Amalfi Coast. Oh, and that's beautiful. I just love this minty color. And I see I have some more in the same color, this Amalfi Coast, and it's transparent circles. These circles are 2.75 inches in diameter. And it is, let's see how well we can see through that. Those are beautiful. Now this is for my December box. I am surprised that I did get a color like this, but I am thinking that I'm absolutely going to be using these in my planner for December. So let's see what we have in here. This is our monthly, it's the monthly calendar that I have been struggling with each month to try to figure out what to do with it, where to store it, and it is clear. If I could just peel this backing off, you can see that it's a beautiful clear card. And for some reason, I still love receiving them, but let's see that? But I haven't quite figured out what to do with them. I have noticed that I've been keeping it on my desk, just sitting up. I'll try to take a picture and post it on my Instagram, how I just sit it on my desk in a little place marker. But I think it goes well there. But after the month is over, I do plan on using this for like to keep some washi in my personal planner, my to-go planner. Now, this is just a card. I don't think I've received any little cards like this before. This one says, it has 1020. May your streets be paved with gold. By, I'm not going to say the name, Toby Wenge. And I'm not sure what we'll do with this, but it's a nice backing for my calendar. but I do like putting the sayings, the little journal cards in my planner, just in random places, just to have a little burst of encouragement throughout my planner. This one says, make it simple but significant. So I like that. Now, one of the other things that I found myself doing is putting a sticker, like a saying sticker, or like my word of the year, something like that. I'll put on the back, usually from like one of my Happy Planner sticker books or something like that. Here's our December priorities. I want to list my priorities here. Then I'm going to punch this card. I'll probably do the same here, putting just a little quote or saying on the back. But once I punch it, I'm going to put it in my everything planner, my general planner that I keep on my desk. And I'm going to do that because I use my cloth and paper inserts for my business planner. But some of the goals that I have for my business, I want to be visible on a regular basis or on a daily basis when I'm not looking in my business planner. So if I have my top 3 priorities on here, I can just put this in my regular planner and I'll be able to sneak a peek at them. So I love those. So here's our first December dashboard for 2020. Amateurs sit and wait for inspiration. The rest of us just get up and go to work. Stephen King. Okay. That's something, and this is the one I want to use in my business planner. Yes, we gotta go to work. Okay. So this is in a really strong vellum that I've been noticing has been included in the other inserts or the subscription boxes. And I love it. I think it gives it such a chic look with the paper being different and, you know, not just a plain white sheet. So I love those. This looks like another vellum. It says digital declutter. So let's see. Daily, set times for social media, disable push notifications, take breaks, weekly, backup files, close open tabs, restart devices, monthly, empty trash, review unused apps, clear downloads, archive emails, and quarterly, sort and delete photos, delete old conversations, unsubscribe and unfollow, and yearly, delete unused accounts, change passwords, review permissions. Now, these are things that I don't do, but I am going to keep this in my planner going forward because it's something that I have been trying to get hold of. And I was actually thinking about deleting one of my emails and just erasing all of the emails. It's like thousands in there. And just starting over fresh. But I think that if I were to use a system like this, that I would be able to keep control of that. So let's see. This is a dashboard and it's looking clear. Oh, this is beautiful. And I think there's a film on this too. I think I'm going to have to get something to help me. Yes, there's a film on here. I don't want to scratch this clear. So let's see, which way? Can I get that off? Let me see if I can get something to help me. So look at that. That is beautiful. And let's see. Okay, so it is the balanced dashboard. Sometimes it's hard keeping it all together. Remember to keep balance while juggling all your tasks, lists, and plans. So that's beautiful. I can't wait to use that. Okay. So now I have another dashboard, and this one is new doors. Old ways won't open new doors. Old ways won't open new doors. And it just repeats. Autumn has us ready for changes, big and small. Our new doors. Dashboard reminds you to keep taking chances and growing. Layer it with the balanced dashboard for a beautiful visual. So let's see what it looks like if we do. Oh, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. I think I'm going to do that too. Sometimes I don't even look at the little card, but I see that they are recommending that you do it that way. I'm glad that I caught that. And here are my December with the 2021 style. These are my inserts for the monthly and daily view. Okay. Those are perfect. And this is a reading log. Now, I don't think I'm going to put this. You know what I am? I'm going to leave this in my business planner. I was just thinking that I don't need it because most of the reading that I do is for entertainment, but it's actually not true. I believe that for the last couple years, it's probably balanced. For every business or personal development book I've read, I've also read something for entertainment. So I think this is going to be perfect to keep in my planner. So I'm looking forward to using those. Now this, what is this? This is our 7x10 undated monthly desk pad. This notepad is our new staple for planning out work weeks, remembering big dates, appointments, and keeping organized during the busiest time of the year. Oh my goodness. I love this already. And it's perfect for my desk. And I actually had been keeping like another calendar on my desk because sometimes my large everything or general purpose planner, I will take it around the house. It doesn't leave the house, but I will take it around the house. Now this would be perfect to just keep on my desk and it won't move. And this is perfect. I am loving this. I am looking forward to setting this up. As a matter of fact, I have my planner here. I'm gonna see if I can go ahead and add some of these things right now. So let's see. Let's get to December. Yep, I said it was just a couple months. So here's my November and my December, which starts here. So here are my December sheets. And perfect. So let's pop these open. Okay, I grab my shears so I can go ahead and clip these because I did open up my rings, but I don't really like to do that. So I can, with all these together, I can just, it's actually too many, but I'm gonna cut them so that I can just pop them right in my planner. I don't really like to open my rings. so there is December. And since this is the beginning, let's do these two. This will be my December dashboard. I'll put that right there. And this should actually go on top. So I am going to clip this too. This is so beautiful. But I do see I already got fingerprints on it. But I don't mind, it's mine. So we're gonna just keep it moving. I am loving this. It's so pretty. Okay, so what do we have next? The digital declutter. So the question is, where are we going to put this? I think I would like this. I have this board, this dashboard. I think I'm going to keep it up here with this, because when I move this, when I actually start planning in December, I'm going to move this dashboard. So I'm just going to move this with it. But I am going to go back here. Here's my actual December. I got that one kind of crazy. Let's see. I'm going to put this at the end of the month, which I'll probably move these around. And here's my reading log. Actually, I have this one out. I'm only going to add one of these for now. So I'm going to keep this here. And we have this, we'll save that. That's our reading log. And we have some of these. And I think, let's go back here. We don't really have any room here. But let's see. You know what, I want to see just how big these are compared to my calendar. And oh my goodness, look at that. It's like a perfect fit. That's what I was hoping for. And I love them. Okay, so I'm gonna put these over here. Actually, let's move this around. So we can make room. Just move these. And there we go. Now for these, I don't think I'm going to put these over here, but I am going to stick these in my front pockets with my other sticky notes. So I have them right there. I use my beautiful Prosecco Ollie clip from Cloth and Paper to hold this secure for me. And let's go back. So for these sticky notes, I would like them, I'll start in here. I'm actually going to grab a few more. Put those there. And for these, I'm not going to clip these just yet. I'm going to go ahead and store these in here for now. Isn't that beautiful? I'm loving these. There we go. All right, so I think that's all I'm going to add for now. And I am done. That's everything. I got everything in here for now. Well, I think that's it. So I want to thank you so much for watching me do my unboxing for December with my cloth and paper subscription box. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and hit the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. And until next time, remember to be beautiful because somebody's watching you.